Look at these winter pants. Isn't that awesome? Look at those. See that? How Christmassy and cozy are these blue jeans? Lined flannel blue jeans. Yeah, buddy. We're gonna bring the end table in today, but we had a bunch of snow, so I need to take out my walk-behind snowblower and clear a path from the metal shop to the house so we can get it in. Hi again, everyone. It's me, Jesse, back out in the metal shop. It's been a few days. I've been so doggone busy. I had to break the snowblower out and clear a path to the metal shop. Then I had to do the whole driveway, and then I'm gonna have to redo the whole driveway here in a day or two, maybe even today, I don't know, some next couple of days for sure. Supposed to get another 4 to 5 inches of snow, which is badass. Anyway, Candy and I got that last project, end table. We got it moved into the house. It was heavy. But it wasn't so heavy we had to use the tractor. We could kind of muscle it there. We got it there. We got it set up. She really likes it. The first day she had kind of little decorative lights around the front, and then she changed that. And she's got all her books in there. She's really happy with it. That makes me happy, so we're both happy, okay? Now we got to move on to other projects. I do have some more furniture I want to make before the end of the year. Especially some more shelving. I want it to be real decorative, that industrial look, that steampunk sort of look to it. But I'm not sure I have the materials quite yet. I might have to accumulate a few more scraps, let's just say. So in the meantime, I picked up a lot of scrap angle iron that I want to build something small with. We want to keep building. So we built something ginormous, and then we built something small. Then we built 3 ginormous things, then we build 2 more small things. You know how it goes, something like that. But in the meantime, I have been picking up some more tools, some more metalworking tools. One thing I'm really jazzed about, actually all 3 of them I'm pretty jazzed about. I don't get 2 of them till later today. Maybe, 1 for sure, 1 maybe next week. They're all DeWalt tools. So I can show you the first one that I picked up for half price. Now, I'm not sure how I managed to do that at all, but we happened to go to Home Depot yesterday, and I was looking for DeWalt 20-volt batteries, you know, because this is the time of year that if you want batteries, that's the time you should get them, because usually they're on Black Friday specials, and that's the only time I buy batteries for my DeWalt tools. In fact, every Black Friday I usually pick up about 4 to 5 of them year after year. And this year's no different, but this time I noticed there is something I've been wanting, and I looked at it before I bought my Metabo, but at the time it was just too expensive. I couldn't justify, you know, the purchase, because the Metabo was a lot cheaper. The Metabo cut off, let me show you. The fast break, and I used the piss out of this thing. I just love it. It's 14.5 amps. It's powerful. It does everything I've ever asked it to do and then some. But it's corded, you know, which really does get to be a pain in the ass if you have a setup like I do, where you're always dragging stuff in and out, in and out, in and out. And, you know, when you're trying to cut something, when you're trying to cut a big sheet of sheet metal, and what happens oftentimes is the cord just gets in the way all the time. It's always doable, but there's always a better way if you can afford it. And so once I saw half price at Home Depot, I thought it's time to pull the trigger. So I saw this DeWalt 60 volt, it's a flex volt angle grinder at Home Depot for $249, I think I got it for $249. It's not quite half price, but it's pretty close to it. It's at least $100 off, maybe more. If you look online, these things are 450 bucks. So I don't have any flex volt. I think all flex volt is like flex fuel cars. You know, you can put them on different tools and they adapt automatically to the kind of tool you put it on. Hence, they're flexible, I guess. I'm just guessing that's what it is. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. And so you can pretty much use them on all your tools. But this is 9 amp, you know, hour battery. They're really pricey. So I think the price of the battery is pretty much the price of the tool. But I got them both for the same price. So yay for me. And I'm looking forward to not having to drag a corded angle grinder in and out all the time. So I ordered some 6-inch flap discs so I can knock down those welds a lot faster, a lot quicker. So I'll be using the piss out of this baby. And you know, it's nice that it's portable. You can take it on your truck camper and go cut steel out at the campground. That's badass. So anyway, let me show you what's on the agenda for now. I'm going to start with this scrap metal that I have here. It is, let's find out, looks like about a foot long, a little more than a foot long. Okay, yeah, they're all 15 inches. These were scraps that were in the dumpster, that remnants off of a project that the steel company was doing. And, you know, they obviously just discard a lot of this remnants because they have no use for them. But I do. I have a use for them. So I'm going to make something. I'm going to start off by cutting these in 45-degree angles and start off with a box, a storage box, a mini storage box, a jewelry box, if you will, or a pirate's treasure chest is more like what I like to think of them as. But I don't want to waste this metal. I don't want to have it laying around. I want to make something with it. And as always, if it's nice, if it's good, if it's useful, I'll bring it inside. If not, I'll put it out in the garage, sell in the yard sale. I got a few boxes, a few things I've made. I do want to test my skills out in the yard sale. Now, I grant you, I'm not going to ask what most great artists ask in price-wise stuff. Mine will be much cheaper. Guarantee you that. So let's get started. Harbor Freight, Central Machinery, horizontal, vertical metal cutting bandsaw from Harbor Freight did its job again. Bam! So we have 8 pieces cut up to 45-degree angles. I'm gonna take these, clean them up and get them ready for weld. And we're gonna be using the OmniPro 220 Vulcan welder from Harbor Freight. we got these all cleaned up and ready for weld. So now we only have to get the settings, and we set up our welder and get the settings, and we're good to go. All gravy. Bam! Heck yeah! Yeah, buddy! Let's get this table cleaned off. Use this scrap piece of metal to get our settings. Alright, I think we're all set up. It's time to get started. Started with our next project of I don't know what it's going to be, but we're going to start anyway. Heck yeah. There's one. Do the other one. Heck yeah. Okay, we got them welded up, and now we're going to take them outside and we are going to grind them smooth, and it'll be badass. Oh, it's warm in here now. Let's have a look. We got to grind it out. Okay, we just roughed it in. Usually wait till the end to smooth it out, but it looks good roughed in. They're exactly the same. So we got our top bottom again. This is how we always start. So we got two perfect squares, or at least they should be perfect. Which they are. Yeah, buddy. All right, we'll pick this up where we left off tomorrow. Baby steps. We don't do everything in one day, right? Heck yeah.